easier to train a child correctly the first time than to break them down and build them back up as an adult. In this series, I'll teach you how to create a curriculum, duplicate it, franchise it, and get paid for saving future generations. So let's start at the beginning. The first public school funded by taxpayer money was established in 1635 in Boston, Massachusetts. It was a college prep school for grades 7 through 12, strictly for the elites. Because at that time, there were public schools, but you could rule the world with a 6th grade education.
I've got to have it before I can graduate to 5th grade. You're in the 5th grade? Yes, sir. Fixing to scoot right on up into the 6th quick as you can give me my certificate of health.
Before 1860, most non-taxpayer public schools were located in barns and taught the kids faith, a sense of community, and just enough reading and math so they would not lose the farm, literally. By the end of the Civil War, the government took a larger interest in public education, so little red schoolhouses started popping up all across the nation. Now, this is partially because the industrial age was right around the corner, but mostly they became indoctrination centers. Stop. Just stop. Listen. According to the Foundation for Economic Education, the purpose of a state-funded education is to take children away from parents judged to be incompetent and prevent those children from becoming dangerous, antisocial elements. Let me repeat that. The purpose of state-funded education is to take kids away from parents judged to be incompetent and prevent those kids from becoming dangerous, antisocial elements. This is a theme that will be explored in future videos in this series, but for right now, let's get back to it. After the Civil War, the government started setting up boarding schools for Native Americans so they can become quote-unquote civilized instead of savage. Meanwhile, no accredited teacher wanted to educate the newly freed Negroes, except missionaries, who stuffed them into churches to indoctrinate them on why they're second-class citizens and not part of the nation that they were born in. Then when America joined World War II, schools were used to indoctrinate the entire nation as the Pledge of Allegiance became mandatory to garner up patriotic support. That's the end of part 1. Part 2 will be about curriculum. Yo, we need 1,000 subs before I drop the tolerology certification course, and you have to be a certified tolerologist to join our tribe. Also, PayPal or Cash App us if you like the content, links in the description, and support our mother company Crusader Publishing on Amazon.com on the website. Also, support our sponsor, Nosha Organic. Love each other as you love yourself. Feed the pack.